Today's Wednesday, and I forgot all of my camera equipment, so I'm using my phone. Yeah, so we are on our way to a drain clean right now on Balboa Island, and then we have a inspection underneath the house, and then a backflow test. And that's what we got going on. And then we got to pick up supplies for tomorrow, which we were going to be doing the backflow, but we're actually doing a mow and flow install, and then on Friday we'll be doing the backflow. So I will see you at the job. All right, this is Chloe. We're taking a break. I forgot to take a video from my last call. So I went under a house and did some inspection, and then right now I'm taking a break. My wife is having an interview with the company, so I'm taking the dog out to come chill by the water for a little bit. And then we'll be heading to the next call to do a backflow test. And then that'll be our day, man. So, yeah, stay tuned. All right, we're back at it. We are on our way to the backflow test, and we will get footage when we get there. Had a nice little break. Yeah, I had a nice little break with my dog at the beach. We live close enough to where we can walk, and my wife had an interview. So I took the dog out for a little bit while I had a small little gap, and then now we are on our way to the next one. So this should be the last one for the day. I'll see you at the job.
Okay?
Yep.
Okay, good. So what was the deal? You thought did something wrong, or
So
you didn't check the right something?
yeah, so the 2.2. So the perfect. All right.
All right, so we are wrapped up with the backflow test, and we are done for the day. I just need to submit this paperwork out, and then need to get everything ready for tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll be doing that mow and flow. So we will see you tomorrow, Lord willing.